genuinely distressing. Don't do that.
What the fuck were you allowed near kids?
Ring, 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 ring. Be Mr. Blobby.
I resign.
Is it true you had an affair with one of the Teletubbies? Well, that was an anecdote about nailing one of the Teletubbies. Now, Mr. Blobby, you've got a question for us. Tell us the question.
Oh!
Yeah, just ask the question.
Yes!
I'm a grown man. Yeah. For fuck's sake. Do the question. Just do the question. Just ask the question.
Tell me when he's gone.
So the question's in 3 parts. The question's in 3 parts. 1. Okay. The second part of the question. Okay, I'll recap. Okay, so what Mr. Blobby is asking you to write down is the UK's best-selling novel of the 90s, the highest-grossing film of the 90s, and the best-selling album of the 90s. There are 2 points for each one that you get correct, and 10 bonus points if you get them all.
Wait.
Yes, Claudia!
Oh.
Mr. Blobby can give you a clue. Unless the film is Blobby, Blobby, Blobby.
Yeah, I get you. Yeah.
No! Don't help her.
That's the one
I can't believe you got me with that. Right, write down your answers.
We've got it.
Write down your answers. You got the answers?
Yeah.
Pens down.
Pens down. Pens down. Pens down.
Jimmy, it's like you're on Blob Station.
OK. Phil, Alan, what have you got for this?
Bridget Jones' Diary.
What else have you got?
Titanic.
All right, yeah, Poker Face. Poker Face, that's what they call him. And the album?
What's the Story, Morning Glory by Oasis.
Jackie, Denise, tell me what you answered.
Titanic, Bridget Jones' Diary and Oasis, and please, can he leave?
OK, Dara and Claudia?
We went Bridget Jones' Titanic with Michael Jackson.
We got confused.
We were distracted by Mr. Blobby. I'm loving it. I don't give a shit. It's the happiest I've ever...